I'll try to make this video again. My camera keeps shutting down due to an error. That means this phone's getting too old now. I don't have the money for new devices and all kinds of crap to be able to make videos. Maybe it's just meaning I'm supposed to give up YouTube. I don't know. But anyway, let's try this again. I do believe my batteries are sulfated, stratified is the terms that I found when Googling and researching the repair mode on my smart charger. The NoCo Genus has a repair mode. So I noticed a couple weeks ago at 70% my ice cold fridge and freezer would go E1 for fridge and freezer side, and the voltage showing on it was showing way low, when yet my voltage meter at my switch panel here would be showing higher. Now my battery monitor, and all that was happening. Well, now at 80% on my battery monitor, the fridge and freezer is going into E1. Since I put the heater in. So, I thought when I put the battery monitor in and I charged the batteries to full. And at least I thought so. And I set the parameter by holding down the one button on the battery monitor to let the battery monitor know that is 100%. Apparently it wasn't. Probably due to the sulfation and the stratified batteries. So now I'm going to have to deal with it for a couple days at least, until I can probably end up getting a campsite somewhere with electric, so that I can disconnect my battery isolator from my starting battery, turn off my main power switch to everything in the van back here in the home, so that the only thing that's going to get the juice is going to be the only thing going to be getting the juice is going to be the batteries from the shore power from the NoCo charger. So I'm going to have to do the repair mode and hopefully hope that straightens out the batteries. Otherwise I'm going to have to see about ordering 2 more AGM batteries and dealing with pulling all that. I don't even want to think about it. Limited on space, so this build is not, my batteries are not as accessible as I would like them to be. But so just a little update that's dealing with the battery issue right now. I mean, everything's still working. I just started the van about an hour and a half ago, and I went from 82%, and then I'm already at 98, which, thinking back, it never charged that fast just running off the battery isolator. So definitely stratified and sulfated batteries. So hopefully the repair mode can fix it. I will most likely do a video. I will make another video when I get around to being able to do that. The repair mode can take up to 4 hours, so I don't have enough time now before work to do it. So I'm going to have to just deal with it and let it hurt my batteries a little more for a couple days until I get where I have time to do all that and not be, and I just got to find somewhere that I can plug in. So I'll probably have to rent a campsite, because there's really nowhere that I don't have access to power when I'm available at my available times. So, plus I got to park kind of close to it because my extension cord is shorter, but I did that because it's a heavier gauge, but I went with a shorter cord because the longer you run a cord, the more issues you might have. And I'm not taking chances with my home. So, but yeah, so if you have any issues with, if anybody out there in van life is having issues with your battery capacity not seeming to last, you may have, your batteries may be in need of a repair charge off of a NOCO smart charger that has the repair feature. So, yep, that's what I'm going to deal with here eventually. Oh, the other van left. Oh, there was a nice Sprinter. Looked like a full hooked up van there. They left without me realizing it. Oh, bummer. Huh. So, it is what it is. But yeah, so if you happen to have, if you seem to have a decreased capacity or things aren't acting right when your battery monitor is showing a higher percentage, chances are you may have sulfated or stratified batteries. I do believe I do. So at least I have the smart charger with the repair feature. So hopefully once I get the chance and the location and the chance and the time to try that, hopefully it works, or I'll be buying new batteries. But yeah, so for now, just gonna go to my storage, do a little organization here in the van, I think, and for work. So, catch y'all later. Love, peace, fight for love, not hate. Catch y'all on the next one.